Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1688 of What You Up To Now. Communication SOAP, capital O for options, and keep me posted. For Supersize Your Business today, my group for female entrepreneurs, we talked about keeping us posted and 10 more professional ways or more business-oriented ways to say, keep me informed, keep me up to date, keep me up to speed, keep me posted of what's going on. I shared 10 different ways today that I found on the internet, which if I think about it, I'm sure I have used every single one of them and a lot of my own variations as well, because I always want to be up to date. I always want to know what's going on. I want to be informed. I don't necessarily have to manage or supervise or dictate or micromanage, but I do want to know what's going on in different areas and aspects of my business. That's why we have regularly scheduled meetings, etc. Not just for the sake of having meetings, but for the sake of making sure we're making progress in each area and aspect of the businesses that I'm creating and working with and being a partner to. So that was our idiom, our communication related idiom for today. And our topic for today, we're focusing on the SOAP framework. We're on the actual O of the SOAP framework. Yesterday, we shared an area and we told the story about the current story versus the desired story, or our vision for what we really want in the area of communication that we want to improve. So we picked an area we want to improve, and now we're applying the SOAP framework. The SOAP framework is just a process that we install in our subconscious to make sure that anytime we're faced with a change or challenge in any area or aspect of our life, but with respect to communication, this month we're focusing on that, we will automatically have a better result than if we didn't have a process where we subconsciously and then sometimes consciously go through and manage changes and challenges and roadblocks and setbacks and things that pop up in our life. And the tool we use today is one I've shared pretty often, the 10-3-1 Brainstorming Tool. Basically, we just make ourselves come up with at least 10 possible, sometimes impossible, options to deal with filling the gap from where we are to where we want to be. And we don't necessarily feel it. It's what's something that we could do to move us from where we are toward where we want to be. Because very seldom do we have one action that we take and it gets us exactly what we want, right? Wouldn't that be awesome if we just said, okay, well, this is the one thing I need to do, and I'm going to go from my current state to my absolutely desired fantasy vision state of how I want this area or aspect of my life to be. That would be awesome. If you've had that happen in your life, please share with me how you did that, because I would like to share it. I'd like to apply it in my life and then help other people do it as well. So the 10-3-1 tools, we just brainstorm 10 options, we circle 3, and then tomorrow when we get to the A of the SOAP framework, which is about action, but before we take action, we have to analyze the different alternatives and figure out which one to choose to take action on. So we're going to do that tomorrow. But today, we first have to come up with possibilities and then pick 3 of them. And then we analyze the 3 tomorrow. That's the process we've been using for a couple of years now as we go through the Get Up and Go Challenge and now the BU 365-Day Annual Challenge. That's what I'm working on. So many projects, so many things going on, both personal and professional. If I can help you in any way, just ask. You can hit me on boxerpajamagramma@gmail.com, or you can direct message me. I like to be a resource so that if you're stuck and you've tried to figure things out, but you're just still stuck, or you're a little confused about what path to take for you right now so that you can get out of procrastination, not be stuck, know what to do, and then just keep moving forward, hit me up. I always can make 5 minutes for people that are willing to ask, people that are willing to show initiative, right? Action takers, my favorite. All right, that's it. Have an awesome day. If I can help you, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Bye.